Sugarcane juice is a pretty unusual drink that is popular in India and mostly consumed on hot summer days. For many people, this juice reignites childhood memories when they suck it directly from a sugar cane. Besides being a sweet summer drink, cane juice is rich in numerous essential nutrients and has great health benefits as well. Sugarcane juice will hydrate your body and boost your energy levels thanks to its rich nutritional content. The juice contains chromium, calcium, copper, cobalt, manganese, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, vitamins A, B, and C, as well as antioxidants, phytonutrients, and fiber. Here are the main health benefits of cane juice. Heart health. Sugar cane juice can prevent heart disease and keep the heart healthy by lowering triglyceride and cholesterol levels. It helps you lose weight. The high soluble fiber content of the juice will improve your digestion and eliminate the fat deposits on your body. Improves digestion. Thanks to the high potassium content, cane juice will regulate your digestion and prevent numerous digestive problems such as constipation. Prevents cancer. The high content of iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and manganese make the cane juice alkaline in nature, so it can prevent the spread of cancer. It is especially effective against prostate and breast cancer. Great for diabetics. Although sweet, sugarcane juice contains natural sugars with a low glycemic index, which makes it ideal for diabetics. However, make sure to consult with a doctor before you start consuming it. Skin health. The alpha-hydroxy acids in the juice can fight the aging process, keep your skin hydrated, and prevent infections and acne breakouts. The juice will also reduce the dark stains on your skin. As you can see, sugarcane juice is highly beneficial for your health, which is why you should start drinking it today.